DJNTV family, hello, what's up? My name is Troy Adams from Carolina DJ Professionals, and I am here with you. We're in our fourth video, our final video in our series of high volume clients, low maintenance mindset. We're talking about, hey, as DJs, we are one of those few pros that manage a lot of clients, right? We manage a lot of clients, a lot of requests, a lot of data, a lot of personality styles, and that can be a lot of headaches, right? Certainly a lot of work. So how do we better manage that work, better serve our people, generate better experiences, but do so with a low maintenance mindset? Be more efficient, work less, see better results. It is possible. And we've broken it down into 4 areas of focus. Go back and watch videos 1, 2, and 3, because this is our final step in that process. So without further ado, let's dive in to area 4 in high volume clients, low maintenance mindset. So if it's your first time watching, I'm going to skip through all these slides, because those of you that have watched this and watched the previous videos, I don't want you to hear the same thing again, right? But hey, how many times we felt like that? Let's change that. Go back and watch the previous videos and think about, when did things become too much for you to manage? There's a little bit about me. You can hear all about it in our previous videos. And here's the 4 areas that we're focusing on to better manage our volume of clients and do so with that low maintenance mindset. It starts with ideal client identification, finding the perfect fit, finding those great clients who are a match for us. Then we talked about funnels, using funnels to help generate and help manage all the information, all the processes, all the systems, all the people, whether they're prospects or clients or colleagues. Last video talked about automation, and automation done right, standing out, taking a step further, some things you can do to better automate. And now we're talking about not just delegation and building that team and that network of people to help you manage this workload, but really empowering other people so that they buy in and help us improve our clientele, be more efficient, provide better service, and see better results. So let's dive in to empowering others. First of all, you've got to make sure you have the right people around you. We've got to have the right people. They got to be on the right bus and also in the right seat. It's not just about they're the right fit for you and your company, but they've got to be in the right seat and doing what their strengths are and what really bring the best for not just you, but for them as well. Then they're going to really buy in. So set your EQ. We're all DJs, right? We know what EQ means. Well, I'm going to give you a little different definition of it when it comes to really empowering others and getting them to buy in and really help you manage and grow. And that's expectations and questions. And expectations are met by first asking questions, really digging into, what do your people need to be fulfilled? What do they need to be happy, to be motivated, to buy in, to feel rewarded? You name it. Dig, dig, dig. Ask things, ask at least 3 questions. Might even be the same question, just reworded 3 different ways. Dig. And then let's talk about how to meet their expectations, followed by what your expectations are. We talked about in a previous video having those conversations about expectations with your potential clients and your clients. You have to have it with your team as well. Now it's all laid out. We're all on the same page. We know what's needed to make each other happy and successful and motivated. Then we've got to make things measurable. So we can't just dig and find out those answers, but not find a way to measure it. We have to find a way to measure those things. So one thing I do with my team is each week we have an accountability chart. And here's a snippet of it. When we meet as managers on a weekly and bi-weekly basis, I put it into numbers, certain things that they are responsible for. And that's how I hold everyone accountable. and we measure it. We make it measurable. Hey, how many times did you do this? It's supposed to happen this many times. How many people did you call? So we make things measurable. Now we can track progress. And we can really, let me repeat myself, we can really measure our growth and our success, and are we meeting the standards that we want to meet and exceeding them. Now, remember areas 1, 2, and 3. Creating those funnels, which was 2, identifying the right client, which was 1, and automation, which was 3. All right, went out of order there. Those things apply to your team, right? You've got to identify the right people, as we talked about. You've got to create funnels for them. So I funnel our meetings. So for example, my team, we have, even though we are working remotely a lot and we're all across the place, we have designated office hours where it's, hey, do not call me unless it's urgent. If it's not urgent, can it be funneled to our office hours today? Doesn't need to be handled today. Can it be funneled to our weekly meeting? Doesn't have to happen this week. Can it be funneled to our bi-weekly meeting or a monthly company meeting or whatever it may be? But we've funneled our tasks and our communication to help be more efficient. And then we've also automated certain tasks to help as reminders. So those 3 previous areas that we talked about that apply to clients, they apply to your team as well. But when you do these things, when you get people in the right place within your company, you listen to them, you dig, you identify and understand what they want, how they feel motivated, what their love language is, what their personality styles are, how they feel rewarded and motivated. And then you put something in place to hold all of us accountable and make it measurable. That's going to empower them. They're going to want to go that extra step to manage these volume of clients, to help you be better, to have a better business, to see more results. So all my managers and directors have a stake in how we do. They're invested in things as well, and each individually that fits their styles. So I can't stress that enough, that when you do that, you're going to see a better process, more efficient process, that low maintenance mindset that I talk about. There is our summary to success, right? Find more ideal clients. Build funnels for your prospects, your clients, your colleagues. Take your automation to another level, and then really empower the people on your team, the people around you, your colleagues, your team, of course, everyone that's invested into helping you succeed. DJNTV family, I hope you found that helpful. Hey, look, I'm in it with you. I'm a DJ. I'm running a business. I know what we go through, and I want to learn from you, and hopefully you can learn something from me, and we can help one another better run our businesses and do so with less stress, more efficiency, better results, right? That low maintenance mindset for our high volume of clients. Thank you so much. I hope I get to see you somewhere soon at a conference, online, you name it. Till then, be well and be great.